Good morning, dear students. In the last class, I explained you the various ray diagrams related to prism. Okay, now in today's class, we are going to continue the same topic, refraction, but now we are going to talk about spherical mirrors. Okay, see, spherical mirrors. These are made by silvering the part AB of the hollow glass sphere. Now see if I have a spherical glass mirror, okay, and part of it I take, and either the inner or the outer part is silvered, then whatever is formed, that surface is called as spherical mirror. So, the surface on which silvering is done is called the silvered surface, and the reflection of light takes place from the other surface, which is called the reflecting surface, which actually means if say this is a spherical mirror, okay, you can see this blue part is a part of that sphere and it is polished from inside. So, the way we see a plane mirror, in a plane mirror, what happens? The part which is polished, okay, that is the silvered surface, the painted part, and the other part is the one which is called as reflecting surface. When the light rays will strike this particular surface, unpolished surface, then in that case they will get reflected. Okay. We also talked about the laws of reflection. We know that the incident ray, the normal, which is the perpendicular drawn at the point of incidence, and the reflected ray all lie on the same plane. And also we talked about the second law of reflection, which states that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Okay, now we are going to move further and understand further about the types of spherical mirrors. See students, as you can see on the screen, either this part, inner part can be polished, or as I said, the outer part can also be polished of a given spherical mirror. Depending upon this, we term it as a convex mirror or a concave mirror. So see, if the inner part is polished or is silvered, then the reflecting surface is this bulging part, this outer part. Then we call it as convex mirror. If the bulging part is polished and the inner part is the surface through which the reflection takes place, okay, reflecting surface उसे बोलते हैं बेटा, it is that surface on which the incident ray actually, the rays, light rays come actually strike and they get reflected back. So then such a mirror is termed as concave mirror. See, you can see it is cave-like. Okay, it is cave-like. Outer part is bulging part is polished and the inner surface, reflecting surface is there. So such a mirror is called concave mirror, and the mirror in which the inner part is polished and the bulging part is the one through which the reflection takes place, then in that case we call such a spherical mirror as convex mirror. So we can conclude it as, first, what is a silvered surface? The surface on which silvering is done. Okay, right? And we show the surface, polished surface, by drawing these kind of lines, the way we used to do it for plane mirror. Now, which surface is called the reflecting surface? Better, the reflection of light takes place from the other surface. Other surface, why? Because the one surface is silvered, so the other surface, the surface on which the light rays strike, the surface other than this silvered surface is termed as the reflecting surface. So we can say there are two types of spherical mirrors. One is a convex mirror in which the reflection takes place from the bulging part, and the concave mirror in which the reflection takes place from the inner surface and the bulging part, the curved part is outside part is polished. Okay, now we are going to move further and understand various terms related to spherical mirrors. Now we will talk about various terms that are related to a given spherical mirror. Either it's convex mirror or a concave mirror. Fine.